Welcome to my presentation. My name is Yi Chuan. For now, I will be presenting the topic Construction Material, Concrete. This is my presentation outline. First of all, I will explain what is concrete, the advantages and disadvantages of concrete, also the environmental impact of using it. First of all, what is concrete? Concrete is an artificial stone produced from sand and stone, together with cement paste, which is cement plus water. The cement paste fills the space between stone and sand particles, which then forms as the illustration on the slide. To explain in more details, air, water, and cement form cement paste. With the addition of fine aggregate, which is sand, it then becomes mortar. Then, including the coarse aggregate, which is stone, and a little bit of admixture, it then becomes concrete. These are the ingredients of modern concrete: binder materials, aggregates, mortar, and mixtures and fiber. For the binder materials, it includes examples such as Portland cements and cement plus supplementary cementitious materials such as SCM. For the aggregates, it includes both the fine and coarse aggregates. For particles below 5 mm in diameter, it is classified under fine aggregates. For particles larger than 5 mm in diameter, it is coarse aggregates. Moving to the concrete applications. These are just some of the examples of concrete in our daily lives. Concretes are really widely seen and widely used in our daily lives. It can be seen in residential and commercial buildings, bridges, flyovers, culverts, dams, tunnels, water tanks, even swimming pools. Also roads, runways, pipes. Moreover, foundations, ploughs, and sewers. Giving some facts. Concrete is the most used man-made material on Earth, and it is the second most used material. The first most used material is water. The total volume of concrete infrastructure sums up to $17 trillion. The annual consumption of concrete in the world is 18 billion tons per year as of year 2006. It is about 3 tons per person, and this is more than 10 times that of steel. So why is it concrete the most used man-made material? Let's give some advantages. The advantages of concrete include the ease of production from local material and experience, so it is really cost benefit. Also, the moldability to achieve any shape and size. So by using concrete, you can have any shape or any size by the interest of the construction site. It is a durable material in principle. Also, it is an excellent material for fire resistant. It is far more fire resistant than the use of wood and other construction material. At the same time, it requires less energy to produce than other construction materials. Moving to the disadvantages. Concrete is a brittle material with very low tensile strength and tensile ductility. It should not be loaded or designed in tension. Even in compression, concrete has a relatively low strength to weight ratio. That is, concrete requires a large mass to achieve high load capacity. Moreover, concrete undergoes considerable irreversible shrinkage due to the moisture loss of concrete, and also it creeps significantly under an applied load. To sum it up, it has advantages such as the ability to be cast, economical, durable, fire resistant, and energy efficient. The disadvantages include the low tensile strength, the low ductility, volume instability, and the low strength to weight ratio. So the designer have a trade-off between both advantage and disadvantage to choose concrete in their sites. Moving to the environmental impact of concrete. First of all, enormous raw material and energy consumption. The global concrete demand is more than 18 billion tons annually as of year 2006. In the same time, 1 ton of cement clinker requires 1.7 tons of non-fuel raw material. So the cement production is actually 10 times more energy intensive than general economy, as it accounts for 2% of global primary energy use. CO2 emission and climate change. Production of 1 ton of concrete generates equal amount of greenhouse gases. That is, 1 ton of concrete brings 1 ton of greenhouse gases. The cement production accounts for 5 to 10% of global CO2 emission. Also, concrete can easily trap heat, causing urban heat island. So concrete is a large contributor to climate change. All of these environmental impact bring incentives to researchers to develop sustainable concrete. Improvement and optimization of structures have to be made for sustainable concrete. It optimizes the material to create less CO2 emission. At the same time, recycling and waste management to have a more sustainable concrete use and a more sustainable environment. Innovation in materials and process ensures that concrete continues to develop to be more sustainable and more environmental friendly. In conclusion, I've explained the concrete facts and the usage of concrete, both the advantages and disadvantages of concrete, and also the environmental impact of using concrete. These are my references, and thank you for your time.